pomeriggio! Welcome to Clelia's Cucina Italiana. We use these red and green peppers because they look nice for the holidays, for Christmas. Okay? So all I did is I rinsed them with cold water, dried them, and then cut them in strips like this. Okay, and this time I don't roast them and take the skin out like we usually do with red peppers because I want the colors to stay nice and bright. Okay, and when you do that, the colors kind of die out. Okay, so we turn these on, let this get a little bit hot. Okay, we have a couple tablespoons of olive oil. It's getting hot, so we can just put them in like that. All right. We're gonna keep this on high, and I'm going to put a little bit of salt right away so they can start getting wilted. And salt and pepper, it's always, you know, to your taste. And I do it to my taste. Okay? Okay, so that's that. We'll wait for that to cook. We stir that a little bit. And like I said, we keep it on high. And then eventually we just put a cover on. So, just so to let them cook through. Okay, with the peppers, I'm just going to push them on the side and put a little bit of garlic, like a small garlic clove. Okay, and just chop it. I mean, you can chop it ahead of time, not like me last minute here. But do it towards the end when the peppers are just about done because we want to obtain that garlic flavor. Okay. And I think maybe we'll put a little bit more oil here so the garlic can get done. Okay? And while the garlic is getting done, we're going to add about a couple tablespoons of capers. Okay? Like so. And then some black olives, pitted black olives, whatever kind you like. Okay, and that's done. And you can, you know, if you want, you can cut the olives, you know, but I like them like that. Actually, I'm going to add a few more, like that, and a little bit more capers. So you could put a couple tablespoons, couple good tablespoons of capers. Okay, and those are done. And just around the end, you add a little bit of breadcrumb, okay? Just a little bit of breadcrumb. Here we go. And we just let the breadcrumbs cook a little bit. Keep it on high. I mean brown a little bit, not really cooked. They don't need cooking. Okay, well that's browning a little bit. I want to make sure I got a little bit of a little more salt. You think I'm putting a lot of salt, but I'm not. This comes very, very fine, so you need a little bit more. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Get this out of the way. Don't they look beautiful? They really taste really good. Now, this makes a delicious sub. You can put this with a nice sub or a nice Italian crusty bread. Serve at the table with this. Especially if you have sausages. Oh my God, this is out of this world. So delicious. And look how nice the colors look. Okay, we'll leave that for the pan. Okay, so this is Peperoni Rosse Verde con olive e Capperi. Red and green peppers with olives and capers. Until next time, this is Clelia. Buon appetito e buone feste. Ciao!